Ever start up your HP computer and get stopped by a cryptic error code? If you're seeing all 5 real-time clock power loss on your screen, don't panic. You're in the right place. This error is your computer's way of saying the tiny internal battery on the motherboard called the CMOS battery is running out of juice. Now, you'll need to open your desktop tower or access the motherboard panel on your all-in-one. The exact method varies by model, so check your manual if you're unsure. In this video, this is HP Pro 1440G6 all-in-one PC. Let's carefully open this all-in-one PC to access the CMOS battery on the motherboard. This little guy is responsible for keeping time and remembering your system settings, even when the computer is unplugged. So let's carefully replace it with a new one. It's a standard CR2032 battery, about the size of a small coin. If this guide helped you, give this video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. For more simple tech fixes and walkthroughs, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. When you power back on, you may see the error one last time. Just enter the BIOS again, set your time and date, save and exit. That's it. The 005 error should now be gone for good.